Here we have the AT6445 ELF AD. ELF standing for ivory, and we also have the black version here. Now this is a great extractor because it comes in both 60 and 90 cm versions. Showing right here is the 60 cm version with the matching hob underneath of it. So this extractor is definitely one of my favorites. It's got the beautiful antique brass styling on it. It has a very functional, nice powerful LED light underneath of it. It has 1, 2, 3 stages of very powerful extraction up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour, and you can set a timer. So let's say you want this to end in 1 minute, and before you know it, it will count down and will automatically turn itself off. So you know you can keep maintaining it even though you've made your meal, you're going to the living room, or you're going to the dining room with your family, and you want it to shut off after 5 minutes to keep kind of taking out all of the odors and the smokes and the smells from the kitchen. It will automatically do that for you. You also are able to duct it outside. You're able to recirculate it with the charcoal filters. They go around the extractor and the motor. And you can also open it like this if you would like to, let the smoke go up a little bit better, a little bit faster. Also, it has the metal grease trap that you can undo like so. And this is dishwasher safe, so you can just pop it right in. Don't have to worry about it. Once a year, definitely clean this out. And with that, thank you very much for joining us today. As you can see, it automatically shut itself off because the timer ended, and you can just shut the light off and be done with it. Thank you very much. Looking forward to having you as our esteemed customer.